Alright folks, happy Saturday. This is Nicky from Production Acts here, and today we're going to recreate a famous Pluck sound on one of the most popular tracks in the underground scene. It's Reg by Amy. They're a German duo, Christian Bear and Frank Wiedmann I think, and this track really broke the scene when it came out, and it's still one of the most iconic tracks in techno, I would say, to this day. It's a fantastic tune, and we're going to try and make the Pluck in Diva. So let's dive in and see what we can do, alright? Right, so first of all I've prepared this small loop here. It's not exactly the same, but it's close enough to the original. Right, so let's pull up Diva, and we're going to change the template to mini mono. So next what we want to do is add some MIDI in first, try and get the notes correct. Okay. Right, so I believe that's it done. The notes are probably not exactly correct, but it's close enough. And what we want to do here is just, let's go back here to go to presets and mini mono, okay? And we'll keep it in the triple VCO because we're only going to be using one sawtooth wave here, and we will change the envelope 1 and 2 to analog because I feel it gives you more control. So let's hit the solo and check the sound. Right, first of all, let me just try it on this octave. No. Right, so first of all, let's go over to our filter cutoff and take it all the way down. So I'll play it together. And then we're going to open it up with envelope 2. Give it a bit of feedback here. Not too much, a bit of noise, maybe. Keyboard, yep. Let's try some resonance here. No, I'll bring that down again. So about there's good. Right, okay. So let's go over to our amp envelope here, and we want to turn the sustain all the way down, I'd say. Bring the decay down slightly. Maybe give it a bit of release, tiny. Envelope 2 here, bring the decay down. Yeah, that's it, more like it. It's very plucky now. And we're already nearly there, so I think it needs some effects now. Let's give it a bit of delay. So, take the centre down slightly. Right, and finally let's add a bit of reverb here. So bring the wet down. don't want to just wash it all away. And let's put it together with the track. Yeah, and I think that'll do us for this tutorial. It was just a quick wee short one this time. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that and you were able to follow along if you've got your Diva. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.